Welcome to Chapter 50 of our Total Quality Management Training Series. 50 chapters of TQM. It's been a powerful journey, one that has explored principles, tools, roles, and real-world applications of total quality management. And today, to mark this milestone, we're turning our lens forward. This is the future of total quality management, trends, technology, and transformation. Whether you're a quality manager, a frontline employee, a C-suite executive, or a startup founder, understanding where TQM is headed will shape how you lead, compete, and grow. To see the future clearly, we must take a moment to reflect. TQM was born in the mid-20th century, shaped by the likes of Deming, Juran, and Ishikawa. Its foundation was simple but radical. Quality is not inspected into a product, it is built into the process. In Chapter 1, we introduced the core pillars of TQM, and in Chapters 2 through 7 we explored these pillars in more detail. Then we mastered tools like root cause analysis in Chapter 8, SPC in Chapter 9, PDCA in Chapter 12, and FMEA, Chapter 14. And we expanded TQM across functions in Chapters 17 to 23, and industries, from healthcare in Chapter 13, to farming in Chapter 32, to startups in Chapter 47. But the world is changing fast, and so is quality. TQM is being reshaped by several converging forces. Digital transformation, global complexity, data abundance, workforce evolution, customer empowerment, and sustainability pressures. These forces demand not just incremental improvement, but bold, system-wide transformation. In Chapter 35, we learned about risk-based thinking to manage uncertainty. Now, those risks include cyber threats, regulatory shifts, and geopolitical instability. Let's explore the 5 defining trends that are driving the future of TQM. The first and perhaps most powerful shift is the rise of Quality 4.0, where traditional quality tools meet digital innovation. AI, machine learning, IoT sensors, and real-time dashboards are enabling predictive quality control. Instead of reacting to defects, systems are learning to prevent them before they occur. This builds directly on our understanding of statistical process control, Chapters 9 and 10, but moves us from static charts to dynamic, real-time analytics. Quality professionals must now understand not only how to measure variation, but how to partner with data scientists, manage algorithmic bias, and audit digital decision-making systems. In a hyper-automated world, human skills are more critical than ever. In Chapter 42, we explored emotional intelligence in quality leadership. Now more than ever, we need leaders who can inspire, coach, and align teams in times of rapid change. Future-ready quality leaders aren't just technical experts, they're mentors, cross-functional collaborators, and stewards of culture. As hybrid work models expand, the ability to communicate clearly, build psychological safety, and resolve conflict across virtual boundaries becomes essential. The tools and methods of Chapters 29 and 48, building a culture of quality and using storytelling, will continue to shape how we lead the people side of quality. Historically, quality was about meeting specs. Then it became about exceeding expectations. Today, and increasingly tomorrow, it's about making a difference. TQM must now support broader goals: climate action, ethical supply chains, inclusive innovation. In Chapter 36, we aligned organizational goals with quality. In the future, those goals will include net zero emissions, stakeholder capitalism, and social responsibility. Carbon tracking and ESG metrics will become KPIs, integrated with the ones we discussed in Chapter 43. Compliance will always matter, but the most admired companies will be those who use quality as a force for good. Consumers today want products tailored to their needs, without waiting weeks to get them. That means TQM must evolve to support hyper-personalization and mass customization. This trend demands that we combine the flexibility of agile operations with the precision of quality tools. In Chapters 38 and 40, we explored mistake-proofing and design of experiments. These tools will be vital in environments where no two products are exactly the same. Chapter 46 introduced Heijunka, production leveling, which will continue to reduce stress in systems that must flex with customer demand. Mass customization is not just a production challenge, it's a quality opportunity. We are moving from lagging indicators to leading insights. In Chapter 6 we embraced data-driven decision-making. Now we must build on that foundation with tools like digital dashboards, machine learning models, and real-time feedback loops. Gone are the days when quality reports were reviewed monthly. Today, smart systems flag deviations instantly, giving frontline teams and executives a shared view of performance. This requires quality professionals to be fluent in analytics, understand process capability, Chapter 9, and work closely with IT to secure data flows and ensure traceability. So, what does all of this mean for you? It means that being a quality professional in the future will require digital fluency, systems thinking, human-centered leadership, continuous learning, purpose alignment. You'll need to integrate the skills from chapters 17 through 23, understanding how quality influences leadership, operations, R&D, HR, and customer service. Auditing skills, chapter 33, control plans, chapter 31, and layered process controls, chapter 45, will all evolve, but their core purpose, ensuring consistency, accountability, and learning, will remain. Certifications and standards will still matter, but mindset, adaptability, and collaboration will matter more. The quality department of the future is not just a compliance function. It is a strategic driver of innovation and trust. Despite all the transformation, some things won't change. Quality still begins and ends with the customer, Chapter 2. Continuous improvement will always be the heartbeat of progress, Chapter 3. Culture, commitment, and courage will remain the soul of great organizations, Chapter 29. Technology may accelerate how we work, but why we work for quality remains timeless. This is Chapter 50. A milestone. A moment to pause, reflect, and recommit. Whether you've watched one episode or all 49, thank you for being part of this journey. The future of TQM is being written every day by people like you who care deeply about doing things right, doing them better, and doing them together. If this series has helped you grow, lead, or inspire others, please share it, comment below, and let's keep building a global culture of quality. Because the future doesn't just happen. We design it. Thank you for watching. And here's to the next 50 chapters from All Things Quality.